In an earlier video, I showed the lower room of the house. So this was my grandmother's kitchen, and the goal is to make this the main kitchen of the house at some point in the future. It's still a low priority, but that is the long-term goal. What I do want to do now is get rid of all this stuff. So this room has basically been storage for nearly 30 years. It's been closed up. So the plan is to get rid of all this stuff and give it a good cleaning, get rid of the cobwebs, sweep, clean the floor a little bit, and kind of assess what needs to be done in here. While cleaning and sweeping, I found that a lot of the plaster on the walls was still very loose. So I went ahead and actually scraped it off. That way it wouldn't continue to fall and continue to make a mess. But also so I could kind of assess how much wall repair is needed. So you can see here the sections of the loose material that I removed kind of around the room. And this will definitely need to be repaired, but you know, the room was closed up for nearly 30 years with a lack of ventilation. So there you go. There are these tables that were left here on the floor, and I'm actually going to set them up. And that way I'll have kind of like a little work surface. The next thing is my grandmother's old bread table. I went through and cleaned that up, and that was kind of a mess. But I just spent some time cleaning it and putting it against, you know, one of the walls. But I will in the future do a full restoration of this piece of furniture. But in the meantime, again, I just wanted to get it clean and out of the way. Other things, you know, I just touched up some spots on the floor. Here you go. You can see the room kind of now put together, table in place. You can see the original tile. I got a good feeling for the condition the tile was in. The ceiling is pretty nice. The little sink there, that's going to end up coming out. But now at least I have room to kind of operate in here. I can measure, get good measurements on the walls and everything, and measure the walls for, you know, cabinets, the cabinet layout, and kind of start thinking of what this room's going to look like eventually when it is our main kitchen.